In this video, I'll show you how to see and recover your Instagram password if you forget it. So this method is going to work before you reset your password. But before that, if you're new to the channel, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because it really helps me out. Well, so now to see your Instagram password, the very first thing that you can do, you can open up the settings app from your device, and from the settings you just need to scroll down to the Google. Once you get the Google option, you just need to tap on this and select all services, and under this one you just need to scroll down to this option, autofill and password, and then tap on autofill with Google, and inside this one tap on password. Under this one, you'll get to see all the saved password that you have saved on this Google account so far. So here you get to see the Instagram. You just need to tap on this, and this will record your phone passcode. So just enter your phone passcode here, and this can immediately show you the Instagram username and the password. You can copy your username and the password from here as well. But there is another way that you can do the same thing. You just need to get back from here and open up any browser. I'm going to open up the Chrome browser, and from the Chrome browser you just need to tap on this profile icon at the top right, and from here you just need to scroll down, tap on Google Password Manager, and from here you can access to the same place as well. You can tap on this, and this will record your phone passcode again, and there you are. Hope you find this very helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel, or if you have any question, please let me know in the comment section. I'll see you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.